Hold the broadsword in your left hand and raise your right arm while lifting your right knee. Step down with your right foot and push off the ground with your left foot to jump up. Hold the broadsword in your left hand in front of your left chest. Take a half step to the left with your left leg into a half squat, bending your right knee. Let your left hand hold the broadsword down by your left side, and bend your right arm inward. Front view demonstration. Side view demonstration. Rear view demonstration. Form 3. Shuangshou Penyun Wangzishan. Climbing clouds with both hands to gaze at the sky.